Hi everyone, Hillary here with Wild Orange Emporium. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. I hope you had an incredible summer. Ours is winding down here. All of ours is winding down here. It is hot, 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 but that's okay. I saw that pumpkin spice is out. My daughter has no air conditioning in her car and got an iced pumpkin spice latte, and it's not even September. But it does taste pretty fabulous. Okay, so today's video is an El Ducho repair box. And if you don't know who El Ducho is, it's her store name. Her name's Denali. And I follow her on Instagram and on Poshmark. I can't remember her store name right now. I don't think it's El Ducho. But anyways, she does these repair boxes. So she sources, there's lots of different places, say where she sources from. And you can look in my other video about this, which I will link. Okay. Hi everyone, it's Hillary here with Wild Orange Emporium. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today's video is a repair box follow-up video, and it's all items that I received from Denali or El Ducho on Instagram. And if you're interested in finding out what was able to be repaired and what wasn't, then stay tuned. Okay, so I bought a repair box with 30 items for 14 items for $30 from El Ducho on her Poshmark closet. She does these repair boxes. If you watch her on Instagram, she gets huge pallets, and I'm going to link my other video up here, and it was El Ducho transparency versus the merch transparency. And so she has these large pallets, like I said, and if you see the comments, many people think she did it from Rent the Runway, wherever she gets her pallets from, their fabulous name brand. So if you see in that video, I showed all the problems, and basically that comes down to $2.14 an item. And so I took it to my seamstress, and what I'm going to show you today is what the magic she was able to do. And I'll also show you or tell you the items that were not going to be could not be repaired. Mostly it's because of the fabric. So we'll get right into it. So let's say I'm going to show you the first one that could not be repaired. This is the Ingrid and Isabel. Okay, and I looked it up later. It's a maternity, and it's a knit, small knit sweater. It could even be a super cute, like leggings and top. And its problem was, if you might not be able to see on here, there is a, looks like something was already repaired. A hole repaired right here on the front, right on the chest area. So my sister, SSS Design Studio, and my mother, who's Stapleton Fiber Arts, I think she's Stapleton Fiber Arts on Instagram, or Celia Stapleton, are going to do embroidery on jeans. Okay, if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I'm the one that likes to sell things, and they're the ones that like to create things. Because mine would look like the fails, you know, all the fails on Pinterest. Pinterest fails. I am the queen of Pinterest fails. I don't mind creating with you, but oh man, you're gonna get a good laugh, because mine will be the what is it, the Bake Off one with the one comedic actress. It's so terrible. If you haven't watched that show, Nailed It, that's it. I should be on Nailed It, and oh my gosh, you'll get a hoot. Those shows are really funny. I know I'm digressing, but if you need a laugh, watch Nailed It. So I think I will send this to them, and they can do a beautiful heart. Obviously, the location is where the heart is, but something else. So they'll have to be creative with that. I'll show a picture here of the sweater that had a huge gaping hole on the arm. I just sent that off today. It was a very high-end sweater. I think it was like easily a $150 cardigan. I'm blanking on the name, but you'll see it here when I show it, or here. And since my mom is a fiber artist, she can crochet something there or repair it in some way to make it look really cool. They'll figure it out. So as they do those items, mostly they're going to work on jeans, and I think they have a embroidery, what would you call, I guess an embroidery artist. Maybe she's a seamstress too. A friend of theirs will be working on some items with them, making their dreams come true on that. I will post pictures maybe on Instagram, or I don't know if I'll be able to make a video of it, but I'll put them on there. So that was a very long intro into what I've got here. The next item, oh, this was so cool because this was on my sister's trends report, and again, I'll put the links up above. But I think it was slide number 2. She had a woman like my age who had jeans on, and then the shirt like this. Okay, so it's like a sweater, but then it has what feels like a button-down shirt underneath. But this is already sewn in, see? That was the style. Makes it definitely more lightweight. And this is K.F. Kaufman Franco collection, okay? And what, if you remember, it had a huge tear. I think it was on this side, okay? So my seamstress made it matching. You can't even tell there's anything done. Now, of course, like I said before, I will disclose that these were upcycled, repaired, that sort of thing. But she did an amazing job. And I don't know what that is called, but put 2 little tucks there. Maybe that's what it's called. So I love it. Love it, love it, love it. This one too. Oh my goodness. She made them look great. So this was the Adeline Ray, size small. This is trending also. The sheer with the funky sleeves. Nice big sleeves, sheer, blouse, cutouts. Okay. It's not really cropped, but it has some areas down there. So this was where the sheer was messed up. So she was able to repair where the sheer connected together. Okay. And honestly, I can't tell which side got repaired. Maybe this side. Okay? But it didn't alter the lengths by anything. So, okay. And then this is the the Trina Turk medium large. And I don't know what this style is called. It's not really a wrap. It's almost like a closed cape. You know, I mean, it's a blouse, you know. But this one, it has has arms, but has that cape kind of feel. And the, down here is where it was completely ripped. So she was able to take off the ripped part, close it to here. Is that, you guys see that? It's a little kind of funky here to get it. There we go. Okay. Looks pretty good, eh? It's pretty amazing. I think this probably would be better modeled on a mannequin. So I'll probably take my pictures with the mannequin. Do you use a mannequin? I just have my styrofoam, black, it's just a half body. I think for some of the blouses it looks good because I can get the side picture better. So you can see how the arms drape and the side drapes and even the back drapes a little bit. If I am doing other shots, I don't use the mannequin. I just put them on the wall behind me, and I have a nail up above and put it on the hanger. I would like to paint the wall white for the white background, but really I don't feel like the yellow background hinders me too much, but trying to always improve. I know some people use different photo apps to take out the white, to make their background white, which is a great thing to do. As you know, I've said 5 million times, I am not technically savvy here. So again, I just wanted to say thank you for watching these videos. I really appreciate all the comments you've been leaving. Since the merch video is really, my subscriptions have gone up, and I really appreciate it. Okay, so this was brand new Adidas pants, and I'm keeping them for myself. This was from one of my auction sites, but they're men's pants so that they fit my curves properly, and she just hemmed them up for me a few inches, like 27 inches, because I'm that short. No, but she does an amazing job. Okay, before I show you my piece de resistance, I wanted to give you a follow-up. There were quite a few people on the first video that talked about Hatch, and Hatch is a high-end maternity, and these fabulous corduroy fall, they're like pumpkin spice latte in an overall. Hardware had the little, I'm going to show you what it looks like normally. Had the little metal cap is gone, right? And it's a little bit bent. So I reached out to the Hatch. Thank you for the suggestions. And they do not sell their hardware. But I talked to my seamstress, and what she said, and I just tied this in a knot so that this wouldn't snag too much. What she said is she can replace the hardware. It's pretty simple to unstitch this and then restitch it. And I looked on Amazon, and hardware for this sort of thing is like $6.99. It's like an antique finish. But just so you know, she's not going to replace the rivets. I call them rivets. I think they're rivets. That's really hard to do. It would tear around here. So we're just going to replace this the infamous She will replace these pieces so they all match. And we can get a nice pair of Hatch repaired overalls out. Let's get these out in the middle of September so that we can get them sold. And finally, drum roll please, the piece de resistance. And I should have tried to do a pronunciation. I'm sorry, probably gurung for the pronunciation, how I have butchered it. And if you look this up, this is very on trending sweater. So this sweater with the embellishments is now a crop sweater, which is super cute. And look what an amazing job she did there. So if you remember, I don't think it's in here. I think I put it in a different bag, and I might sell it with it. This bottom half looked like it had been ravaged, okay? Both sides. And there's an embellishment piece that I was going to add into the package. Like, you could cut it out and make it a hair piece. You could, not me. A hair accessory to go along, because it's a smaller round piece. And you can't really tell on this, but you can. It's like some netting, so it could work. So anyways, into a cute crop. This is a size medium. So now it's an on-trend sweater for fall. That's a crop top with no other problems, except it was just repaired. Little fuzz on there. So, okay. I hope you enjoyed that short little video for the El Ducho repair box. I think I said at the beginning, I purchased another box with it was 8 items for $17, so $2.13. I have not opened it yet. I will make a unboxing video for that one, take it to my seamstress and see what she can repair. So as soon as I sell this or the hatch overalls, I've made my money for the repairs. I paid, just so to be fully transparent, I paid $54 for all the repairs, and I'm not sure how that, you know, how that compares to what your repairs are in your part of the country, the world. I feel like she does an excellent job and is extremely reasonable for her creativity and such. So I also traded her some oil blends. I used doTERRA essential oil, so it's actually $34 plus some trading. So it's a great way to do business too, is to barter. If you have clothes and someone else has services that they have, okay, appropriate services, then maybe you can barter. I have my one friend help me, hi Denise, my friend helped me do some measuring and hanging out, and I told her anything she measured. She helped me with the merch measurements from the merch box. If anything there that she wanted for herself or her boys that we could trade. So it's an idea to think out of the box. To be as transparent as possible. I buy the repair boxes because it's fun. Like we've said 1,000 times, if you watch any resellers, the shopping is always the funnest part. It's more funner than the listing and measuring and cleaning and all that kind of stuff. It is a necessity, and but we do have to list. So today's tip is think outside of your box. Think if there's someone that you can partner with, that you that's reliable and you can trust, to try some different things. One, if you're bored. Two, if you need some higher end or want some higher end products, you have to source them. If you enjoy going to the thrift stores, great. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you're able to learn some new brands. I hope you're able to see the possibilities in repairing items if you're not a seamstress or can't sew. And just find a partner. Find a partner that you can work with. I have, like I've said in these past few videos, I've really enjoyed the connection with my sister. We're actually going to make a video today about fall accessories. She sent me 3 boxes that I have not opened. I promise I haven't opened them yet. We're going to open them together and look for some items that she can do a fall accessory video with, similar to the fall trends video. So again, hit the like button, subscribe, or leave a comment for videos that you would like to see in the future, and have a fabulous day. Tschüss!